Okay students, class 7th, chapter number 9, lines and angle, exercise 9.2. In the previous video we discussed about transversal line, cointerangle, alter-interior, vertical opposite, linear pair and so on. So now start exercise 9.2. In the first question, AB and CD are two line segment perpendicular to line L. ये दो लाइन सेगमेंट्स हैं जो लाइन L और लाइन M दोनों पर परपेंडिकुलर हैं. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर? मेकिंग 90 डिग्री एंगल. तो इट्स मीन दिस लाइन सेगमेंट also make 90 degree angle with both lines and this line segment also, and it is a symbol of 90 degree angle. And it is given that AB is equal to 3 centimeter, then we have to find out CD. Because it is the shape of a quadrilateral and we observe that each angle of the quadrilateral is 90 degree. This angle 90 degree, this angle 90 degree. When this angle 90 degree, then this angle also 90 degree. And when each angle is 90 degree, it is a rectangle. And a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So its solution we can do in quadrilateral. In quadrilateral A, B, C, D, angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle C equal to 90 degree, and angle D equal to 90 degree. So ABCD is a rectangle. So it is a rectangle, and in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So we can say that CD and AB both are equal. So value of CD is obviously 3 centimeter. So very easy, just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 2. In the question number 2, there are 4 figures are given. And we have to find out in the figure L is transversal. Transversal line. Transversal is a line which intersect two or more lines at different point. जो दो या दो से ज्यादा लाइनों को different point पर काटती है, it is called transversal line. In the first figure we observe that this line intersect these two different lines and do different points. So it is a transversal. In this figure, this line intersect these two lines but at a point, not at different points. So it is not a transversal. In this figure, line L intersect two lines at different points. So it is a transversal. And this line intersect these two lines at different point, so it is also a transversal. So I sure question number 2 is clear, just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 3. In the question number 3, the figure is given. In the figure it is a transversal and there are 8 angles, and we have to find out in the first part एंगल कोरोस्पोंडिंग टू एंगल 3. हमें वो एंगल लिखना है जो एंगल 3 के कोरोस्पोंडिंग हो. कोरोस्पोंडिंग एंगल्स विच हैव सिमिलर पोजीशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ट्रांसवर्सल. जो ट्रांसवर्सल के रिस्पेक्ट में बिल्कुल एक जैसी पोजीशन शो करते हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड कोरोस्पोंडिंग एंगल्स. तो वी कैन से दैट द एंगल 3 and angle 5 both have same position with respect to transversal. So we can say that these two angles are corresponding angles to each other. यानी कि एंगल 3 का बात करेंगे, then it is angle 5. एंगल 4 का corresponding angle obviously angle 6. एंगल 7 का corresponding angle obviously angle 1. and corresponding of angle 8, yes, obviously angle 2. Now its second part. In the second part we have to find out angles alternate to angle 1. Second part, angle alternate to angle 1. Alternate angles which complete the three properties. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, क्योंकि जो दो एंगल हम लेंगे वो एक एंगल, उनमें से एक एंगल ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन और एक लाइन के बीच में, दूसरा एंगल ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन और दूसरी लाइन के बीच में होना चाहिए. हमें एंगल 1 का अल्टरनेट चाहिए. एंगल 1 इज बिटवीन दिस ट्रांसवर्सल एंड दिस लाइन. सो एंगल 1 का जो अल्टरनेट एंगल होगा वो इन चारों में से कोई एक होगा. क्लियर. सेकंड, अगर एक एंगल ट्रांसवर्सल के राइट साइड है तो दूसरा ट्रांसवर्सल के लेफ्ट साइड लिया जाएगा. इट्स मीन इसका जो अल्टरनेट होगा वो इन चारों में से कोई इन दो में से एक होगा, क्योंकि एंगल 1 इस साइड है और ये दोनों ट्रांसवर्सल के इस साइड हैं. अब इन दोनों में से कौन सा एंगल 1 का अल्टरनेट है. सेकंड, थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या है कंडीशन की, अगर एक एंगल हम लाइन से नीचे ले रहे हैं तो दूसरा हम लाइन से ऊपर लेंगे. अब 1 इस लाइन से नीचे है और 5 दूसरी लाइन में ऊपर है, तो एंगल 1 का अगर हम अल्टरनेट की बात करें इट इज एंगल 5. एंगल अल्टरनेट टू एंगल 2. एंगल 2 का अल्टरनेट एंगल्स, एंगल 2 दिस एंगल, तो इट्स अल्टरनेट एंगल is between 6 and 7 and obviously answer is angle 6. Alternate to angle 3. Angle 3, its alternate between 6 and 7 and obviously it is angle 7. And alternate of angle 8. Angle 8, its alternate obviously angle 4. So I sure second part also clear. In the third part we have note down interior angles, and clearly these 4 angles are interior and these 4 angles are exterior. So remaining 2 parts do yourself. Okay students, now we discuss question number 4. In the question number 4, figure is given in which we have to find out angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. We find out angle 1. We observe that these two angles are linear pair angles. What is the linear pair angle? Because these two angles have a common vertex and it is a common arm and their non-common arm opposite to each other. So these angles are linear pair angles. So angle 1 plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair angles. So after calculation angle 1 is equal to 50 degree. Now we have to find out angle 2. Angle 2 can be find out using two methods. It also can be linear pair angle with this angle and also can be vertically opposite angle with this angle. So we use vertically opposite angle property, and in the vertical opposite angle property we observe that line A and line C intersect each other. So angle 2 and angle 1 both are equal. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. So angle 2 is equal to 50 degree. Now we find out angle 3, angle 4. You can find out angle 3, angle 4 using same concept. Angle 3 using near-pair property, angle 4 using vertically opposite angle property. Angle 3 is 130 degree and angle 4 also 130 degree. So this portion do yourself.